that it is. So why would I listen to you? Never could do what I did. Ahead of the curve. For me to put pen down to paper, you gotta.
We've been on this double billion chopper. We forgot that in trapper. I can't trust you, I can't give you real address. I can't trust you, I can't give you real address. They don't mean to be like Jerry Scatter. I might fall in love with my trapper. I can't trust you, I can't give you real address. I can't trust you, I can't give you real address. Shit, fuck. We've been up and up the like a 7-4. All the more that rolling, we the best alone. I see take from prison to them telling them. I see go from prison getting jealous of me. I see niggas call they shooters and they jealous of me. I see get religious when the hell was coming. I had to trust the blood, sometimes they had no skill up on me. Whip a couple leads now. Trap house got too hot and now I'm trapping out my fiend's house. Had to break the lease down. End up pay my little just to watch out for police now. Cause it look like a fall in my kitchen. It look like I'm cooking with them zones in my kitchen. I'm water whipping flow in my trading back and forth for you. Whipping on this double billion chopper. We forgot that in trapper. I can't trust you, I can't give you real address. I can't trust you, I can't give you real address. They don't mean to be like Jerry Scatter. I might fall in love with my trapper.
Geordie, not Jordan. Talk to me important. Big deal. Yeah, I called TJ twice, he knows that's the bat signal. Gang. I was messing about and I came with back-to-back singles. Manipulating these pockets, watch it when I get one out off it. I can sit on a kick with a hi-hat, bobbing and weaving like I was boxing. Facts on facts, I do not cap on tracks, I'm a bad man. TJ puts on a loop and I just snap like Steve with a madman. Last year I thought that she wanted me, but she just wanted guest lists. This year I know that she's wanting me, but I'm ignoring texts. They wanna act like I'm inconsistent, but I clocked it different. I'm not them, my pocket's different. Tell them again. I'm not them, man. I say when fam hop in the booth. Leng man, cooking up storms. Wickedest gang, man. Facts. The air now wants to chat. I said all I want is raps. Yeah. Donny thought he could spin me, but he got spun when he heard that verse. I got home and I told Bae that I had an easy day at work. The side bag probably got chip in the Rizzler. Still in the A13 and a Dinger. Gally wanna give me a try like Sizzler. I was in two minds when the Brody told me flip this back. But I had one thought when the OG told me spit this rap. Yes, the MacBook's full of them bangers. I told the bro, money in a mattress, I'ma put man on the Atlas. I told the YG, done all the badness. Then he got nicked for a madness. I was on the phone like, how could this happen? I got man them clinging and trapping, and singing and rapping. Either way, the man them are getting it cracking. Yeah, a man got spun, but it wasn't no jackum. He was in two minds when he saw two guys in a ride just spinning and lapping. Think you're big boy cause you got a beard. Think you're big boy cause you go gym.
Times I hate, I'm shit, ain't thought I did. Straight in the whip, accelerated, trying to just get on the kid. Don't trust gal, hey, I'm mad, trying to finesse my